viable humanity. The real populace in our genes. The food is irradiated. The air is unbreathable, or the water boils away. We are doomed regardless. This does assume we survive the initial blast. The single barrier to rebuilding humanity is biological sustainability. The recessive gene trap. For every human carries a recessive gene for deadly diseases. In a large gene pool, a single copy is harmless. As the population shrinks, the mathematical probability of the two survivors carrying the same bad gene skyrockets, dooming their offspring. Civilization minimum 14,000. According to the space colonization researchers of an off-world founding population requires a roughly the population of the 11th century London maintains a perfectly healthy, self-sustaining gene pool, large enough to preserve existing technological and cultural structures. The bare bones minimum, at least 5,000. Survival mode engaged. Culture and tech abandoned. If we abandon the immediate redevelopment of society and technology, space colony mathematics suggests that we can strip the required population down by nearly 2/3. This is bare minimum for long-term species without extreme intervention. The historical precedent, at least 1,300. The prehistory is like a small, about 800 years ago. We have actually done this before. Around 800 years ago, our primate ancestors survived a massive population bottleneck, reducing the entire global breeding pool to roughly 1,300 individuals. The lucky break minimum, at least 150 to 50. Roughly the passenger capacity of a single commercial airline flight. This is close to absolute biological minimum without intervention. The managed minimum, 98. If we see the apocalypse coming, we can drop the number to 98 individuals, provided by every survivor is of reproductive age. The techno loophole 1. We can technically restart humanity in a single survivor, bypassing the bad gene problem entirely if we plan perfectly before the disaster strikes. Requires a pre-apocalypse bank of frozen, genetically diverse fertilized embryos. The lone survivor acts as an initial surrogate. Recovery time. It would take approximately 420 years to rebuild a current global population level. Population size at least 14,000, 5,000 bare bones, 100 to 500 commercial flight, 98 managed to exhibit, and 1 lone survivor. Don't know why. The preparedness spectrum from 14,000 for at least The population is high to low, and the unplaying blind love strategy type is extreme technological control. But theoretically, let's just avoid building nuclear technology. Okay, everyone, that's all for today. Goodbye, guys.